Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain ATV. Thank you for checking into our YouTube channel. So if you own a Sherco dirt bike and you need to replace your clutch, then the competition clutch kit from Tusk is definitely one that you want to check out. I've actually been running this clutch kit on all my bikes now for years. And here's the good thing about these. These are built to meet or exceed OEM specifications at a really good price. And as far as performance goes and longevity, I've always been really impressed with these. I get the same, if not better, performance and longevity as the OEM clutches that come in my motorcycle. And there's a couple features about these that I do want to highlight. So first thing, with the friction plates. So the material that they're using on these for the pads, instead of being a cork-based material, it's actually an aramid-based material. And the reason that that is beneficial is that aramid fiber is a lot more heat resistant, so it's not going to heat up as much. And we all know that heat is the #1 killer for any dirt bike clutch. And also what's nice too is that it just adds to the durability. Like I said, I can get a lot of life out of one of these competition clutch kits. And then for the steel discs, something kind of unique here is that when you look at it, you'll notice that there's these dimples that are on here. And there's a couple reasons for those. The first is that that's going to help retain oil on there. So the more oil that you can get retained inside the clutch, dissipating that heat, the better your performance and longevity is going to be. And also too, it's just going to help with that actual friction. So when your clutch is fully engaged and everything's squeezing down, it's just going to help that and prevent as much slippage as possible. So again, when it comes to a clutch on any motorcycle, I think it's probably one of the most overlooked maintenance jobs on any bike. A lot of people just go way too long without inspecting their plates just to make sure if they're still in good condition. And clutch fade, as your clutch starts to wear out, it's something that you might not realize is happening because it just happens gradually over time. So that's why every so often you want to be looking at your clutch to inspect it, both your plates, as also look at your clutch basket, look at your clutch components, make sure that those are in good condition as well. If you're not quite sure how often you should be inspecting that, just follow what your OEM manual suggests. So look at your service manual, they will tell you how often you should be looking at or replacing components on your motorcycle. That's a really good guide. And as always, if you do have questions or comments, though, we would love to get those answered, so make sure to leave those below. We have great how-to videos. If you've never replaced a clutch in a dirt bike before, we have several how-to videos that show you step-by-step how to do it. The process is very similar for most motorcycles that are out there, so just watch one of those. It'll give you a great reference point. But again, if you have those questions, you can leave those below. To grab yours, click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. As always, we ship for free over 75 bucks. These are bike specific because we carry these for a lot of other bikes besides Sherco, so just be sure to enter the year, make, and model of the bike when you're picking these up to ensure you get the proper fitment. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.